guys, great life, good morning. I'm Carl Cunanan of Wheeltech, Big Bikes and Jet Ski. Andito tayo ngayon sa Waterfront Hotel dito sa Davao City para sa test ride ng ating Kawasaki Jet Ski featuring the Ultra 310LX and STX 160. Okay, so halina kayo, try natin ang Kawasaki Jet Ski.
Ako pala si Walter Anthony Gasang. Maganda yung machine. Madaling i-adapt yung kanyang power. Pag piga mo, labas agad yung power niya. Tapos yung balance niya maganda din. Para sa akin yung 160 mas user-friendly siya eh. Kasi yung power niya sakto lang. Enjoy.
Good morning. This is Jake Gomez from Davao Jet Ski Club and former PSBK Superbike racer. So I'm here with the Kawasaki test ride today here in Waterfront. So thanks to the Wheeltech for inviting us here. So far, this is my first time to do the track on the ski. About the question earlier about the 310, for us kasi Davao Jet Ski Club, ang primary purpose namin ng jet ski is going inter-island. So from Mindanao to Cebu, down to Visayas. Yun ang mga ginagawa namin and eventually, I found good sa 310 na tinest ride ko kanina. Mas stable siya. Medyo hindi lang ako na-agilean sa kanya but very stable. Maybe maganda siya pang long ride. And then for the stand-up, similar siya me as a superbike racer. Familiar siya sa feeling. Medyo sa ngayon parang tingin ko medyo mahirap mag-stand. So ginagawa namin umupo muna but the experience is so good. And andito naman si Sir Jun to guide us on how to do the stand-up jet ski. This is my first time and my friend here, first time namin sa stand-up jet ski. That would go all and thank you again and congrats sa Wheeltech for this wonderful event. Sana masundan pa ulit. Mabuhay! Happy Kadayawan!
And also guys, available yung ating Kawasaki Jet Ski sa Wheeltech Kawasaki Matina Crib. So available ang ating mga jet ski do, Ultra 310LX, Ultra 310X, the STX 160. And also the stand-up SXR 160. So available po lahat yan sa showroom namin. Thank you! Let's ride na!
Let's ride na!
Wheeltech, let's ride na! Wheeltech, let's ride na!